boto kay Marcos, boto kay Duterte, halos pareho lang ng panggagalingan. Kung magbababag, magkakaroon ng bickerings amongst themselves, President Duterte versus BBM, at yung nakapaloob pa sa dalawang grupo na yon, tingin nyo ba mababasag yung boto?
You use the verb mababasag. You assume na ang mababasag ibig sabihin may buo. And I challenge that concept of solid. There is no solid north, solid middle, solid whatever. I'm from Ilocos also, Anthony, no? Of course, nag-migrate din ang tatay ko dyan sa Muñoz, kanya nga magkakababayan tayo, no? Pero palagay mo ba, whoever stands sa Ilocos, para kung loka-loka, i-vote ko siya dahil galing ako sa Ilocos. Of course, those 65 million, 65 million voters, these are young people like you, 80%, upwards of 80%, and they are going to vote according to their lives. So, wag na natin gamitin yung solid because it cannot be defended. Even so-called religious groups, by the way, I have research assistants who belong to this religious group and they say, ba't naman ko sila susundin? Merong akong sariling wisyo kung sino yung bobotohin ko.
Wala pong solid, no! Walang solid, no!